Hi, this is Katie. I'm here at Poster Presentations at PyCon 2013, and I'm here with Kushal Das, and we are talking about Darkserver. Can you tell us more about your project?
Hi, this is Kushal. So Darkserver is basically a part of Fedora project as it started. So long time back during Fedora Core 8 release, which was around 2007, we had a new feature in the GCC compiler collection, GNU compiler collection actually, GCC, that's called build IDs. So each of the binary file in Linux distribution started to having a unique build ID along with them. That's in the notes section of in the ELF data inside it. So whenever a system crashes, any application, any library crashes in the Linux distributions, so we get a code dump. Along in the code dump, we get all the build IDs which are present during that crash. So Darkserver is basically a simple web server which allows debugging tools to find based on these build IDs which all libraries and or binaries were present during the crash. So if I go through the idea in a direct way, so it's code. Any debugging tool will find the code dump. From the code dump, it will find the build IDs. So it will query the Darkserver. It will find out which library, which RPM it is coming from. It will be able to download that debug info RPM for the same package, and then the normal debugging process will go on. Now, this whole project is written using Python. The server side, we have a client side tool also called Dark Client. So everything is on Python. It started as part of the Fedora because where it is hosted, the URL is darkserver.fedoraproject.org. So right now we only support Fedora, but there is a plan and talk is going on so that we can support other distributions, say Ubuntu, Debian, and maybe in future more. This side of the project actually describes a few more about the inside architecture of the thing. So in Fedora, we have a Koji which continuously builds all the latest packages. So the project actually keeps pulling data from Koji where it finds out which all packages are already built. So they got pushed into job, and there are workers which finds the data, pass it over to the database, and then the users just go there and do the queries. Now it has a very simplest, it is the simplest API you can find for a web service. Everything is documented into the main server page. Before this, there was no such easy way to actually query for these build IDs. Even though build IDs, they exist from 2007, there was no one single service or one single point where we can go and ask for the particular binaries or say library or RPM or Debian package and based on these build IDs. So we hope that this project can help the other developers to, it will allow them to debug much more easier and friendlier way. It will allow them to download and to recreate that same crash environment in a much easier way. So that's mostly about the project.
Thank you for sharing. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you.